Hi everyone, Jake Smith here to show the features and benefits of the new RDD-2 Pressure Balance Valve. The RDD-2 is the replacement valve for the current RCT-2 Pressure Balance Valve that's in our line. To review, the RCT-2 was introduced 2 years ago with the hopes that the unit was suitable for showerhead and hand shower installations. What we found out was that the unit did not have a dedicated diverter, and if you had a hand shower connected to it, the back pressure from the hand shower would then make a leak out of the shower head and hand shower at the same time. This was, of course, unacceptable, and we've been looking for an alternate design. The answer is the RDD-2. RDD stands for Rohl Dedicated Diverter. The body is similar to our current one-outlet pressure balance valve, the RCT-1, but the diverter housing has been modified to allow for a dedicated diverter. The new diverter cartridge is a Kirax ceramic disc design with a rotary handle to toggle between the upper and lower outlets. Unlike older piston-type designs, the new diverter moves smoothly. The piston-type design, the push-pull design, was occasionally hard to push or pull, would create a shock in the wall, and was also not ADA compliant. The new rotary design moves smoothly even with high pressures. It's dedicated with no overflow and is ADA compliant with less than 5 pounds of pressure to move between the functions. And a rotary diverter was selected for smoother activation. The levers are small universal handles with soft square and tapered cylindrical designs to match contemporary, modern, and traditional designs in our line. The valve construction, of course, is brass and features a ceramic cartridge for durability. The valve is IAPMO and CSA listed, and additional benefits include a smaller front-to-back measurement that will fit comfortably into a 4-inch wall. And we are also now including a mudguard that fits over the complete diverter housing. The trim sets you have on display will be updated to the new lever design, and on request, an update will be sent to change in the showroom. The trim plate and lever remain the same. List pricing of the trims are unchanged. List pricing of the rough is unchanged. Let me demonstrate the valve for you. So let's turn the valve on. And as you can see with the diverter handle in the 6 o'clock position, this is the upper outlet and the shower head goes on. Let's turn the valve back off again. Now let's switch the rotary to a 3 o'clock position and turn the valve back on. And this is for the lower outlet now. And you can see the lower outlet has been connected to the hand shower. This lower outlet, of course, can go to a tub filler also, but as you see, there is no jumping in the valve as you turn the valve off and on. So let's switch back to the shower head right now. And you can see as we switch back to the shower head, it was very smooth, required very little pressure, and the function was very, very automatic. Now, just to demonstrate that there's no water shack in the system itself, we're going to toggle back and forth between the hand shower and the shower head, and you can see that there's no shock to this system whatsoever. Okay, so in conclusion, remember these things. This is a dedicated diverter. It will move easily between the upper port and the lower port. It will not create any kind of water hammer that's in the wall. Flow rate is about 5.5 gallons per minute. Hope you like this. Thank you very much for listening.